The Chase Ink Business Cash Credit Card is one of the most lucrative business credit cards out there. No annual fee, nice bonus categories, and a big sign-up bonus. In this video, I'll give you 8 reasons why I got the Chase Ink Business Cash Card and why you might want to pick one up as well. So go ahead, hit the like button and enjoy the video. Getting those likes on my videos really help me out, so I really appreciate it. Let's go. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in travel hacking and award travel, then please consider subscribing. You can also download my free 10-step travel hacking guide in the description below. As you all already probably know from the video I made not long ago, I'm finally under 524 and I recently applied and got approved for the Chase Ink Business Preferred Card. The 80,000 bonus points posted already, and I'm loving the card so far. 31 days after that application, I applied for the Chase Ink Business Cash Credit Card. Generally speaking, Chase Bank will not approve you for more than one personal or business credit card within a 30-day period. That's why I waited 31 days, and thankfully I was approved with a $12,000 credit limit. I was kind of surprised that I only got $5,000 on the Ink Preferred, and now I got $12,000 on the Ink Cash, and I was approved instantly also. But whatever. I don't need that much credit limit anyway. I'm just happy to get these cards for the bonus points and the bonus spend categories. So the number one reason I got this card is the massive 50,000 points sign-up bonus after spending $3,000 in the first 3 months. This is easily the best welcome bonus on a no annual fee card ever. The other card that has just as high of a welcome bonus is the Chase Ink Business Unlimited, which I'm eyeing to get next month. We'll see. Technically, the Chase Ink Business Cash Card is a cash back card given the name, and the sign-up bonus is really $500. However, if you have a card that earns Ultimate Rewards points like the Chase Ink Business Preferred, which I now have, I can convert those $500 to 50,000 Ultimate Rewards points when I transfer them to the Ink Business Preferred. Which brings me to reason number 2, which is maximizing the value of points earned on this card with Ultimate Rewards points. Like I said, this is a cashback card, which means 1 point is equal to 1 cent in value if used as cashback. But since I value Chase Ultimate Rewards points at 1.7 cents per point, this means that just transferring the points I earn on this card to my Chase Ink Preferred, I get 70% boost in the value of points I earn on this card, which also means that the 50,000 bonus points are worth $850 instead of only $500. That's an amazing bonus on a no annual fee card. The third reason I got the card is one I mentioned already several times. It has no annual fee. And for me, that's very important since I have many Travel Rewards credit cards and most of them have annual fees and they add up really quickly. This one though offers great rewards at no annual fee. So it's definitely a keeper card for me since it costs me nothing. Reason number 4 is the bonus categories. The card offers an amazing 5x points on the first $25,000 of combined purchases per account anniversary year at office supply stores and on internet, cable, and phone services. The internet and phone cable category is especially great for me. I have 4 lines on my phone family plan and I have Verizon Fios. Those 2 bills alone are around $300 a month, which at 5x can easily add up to 18,000 points per year. Also, office supply stores sell gift cards to a ton of places, so I can buy Amazon gift cards or other gift cards and get 5x on those as well. So that's awesome. The card also earns 2 times points on the first $25,000 of combined purchases per account anniversary year at restaurants and gas stations. Those are awesome categories for your no annual fee card. Reason number 5 is business car rental coverage. The Ink Business Cash Card offers primary collision damage waiver coverage for rentals of most types of vehicles in most countries. Keep in mind that you're only eligible for coverage when renting for business purposes. Otherwise, for personal use, make sure you use your Chase Sapphire Preferred or Chase Sapphire Reserve. Reason number 6 is the card offers good business travel protection and coverage. With the Chase Ink Cash, you get trip cancellation and interruption coverage of up to $5,000 per trip. You also get purchase protection for up to 120 days against damage or theft and extended warranty protection for up to a year on eligible purchases. Reason number 7 is the card offers 0% APR on purchases for the first 12 months. This is especially great for a startup business that has some startup cost in the beginning without any real income yet. So you can take advantage of this offer and not pay interest on your purchases for the first 12 months of having the card. Just make sure you pay off the entire amount before that 12-month period is up, otherwise you'll be charged with a high interest fee. Reason number 8, and the final one, is not counting against Chase 524 rule. So to get this card, you have to be under 524, but when you get it, it doesn't count towards 524 when you're applying for another Chase credit card. I know this confuses some people, so let me try to explain it. Before I applied for the Chase Ink Business Preferred, I was at 424, meaning I opened 4 personal credit cards in the last 24 months. Now, since business credit cards don't get reported on your personal credit report, it meant that when I went to apply for the Chase Ink Business Cash, I was still at 424, even though I had just opened the Ink Business Preferred. Hope this clears it now. If not, ask me in the comments and I'll be happy to explain further. Alright, so bottom line, this is a great card. Not many cards out there with no annual fee offer such a high welcome bonus, 5x bonus categories, 2x bonus categories, and plenty of protections and coverage. So happy I finally got this card and can't wait to maximize all the points earning potential and combine it with my Chase Ink Business Preferred. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Chase Ink Business Cash credit card. If you don't have a business credit card yet, this one is great, especially if you're looking for a no annual fee one. If you don't have the Ink Business Preferred, I highly recommend getting that one first for the 80,000 points bonus, and also to be able to combine your points from the Ink Cash to maximize their value. I'll put my referral link for the Ink Preferred in the comments below, so I really appreciate it if you use it. I get 20,000 points and you get the normal offer of the 80,000 points after you spend $5,000 in the first 3 months. Now before you go, you all probably know by now that I have a free travel hacking guide for beginners that you can get from the link in the description. But what you might not know is that I also have a course that includes all the free stuff you get from that guide plus a ton more. I teach you best practice strategy for applying for travel rewards credit cards to maximize your points earning. Then I show you how you can double or even quadruple your points earning potential. I also explain how to use the best travel hacking tools available out there that will help you find out how much award flights cost between any 2 cities across all the major frequent flyer programs. Follow that up with a comprehensive guide on searching and booking award flights with many top frequent flyer programs like Aeroplan, ANA, American Airlines, United, and many, many more. So go check it out, link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe, because every week I'm publishing videos that will help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.